Now this is just basically a normal salad. I got these leaves from Sam's Club.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! 9 incredible health benefits of bell peppers from Kara 2. This was written by Shudra Krishna, March 23, 2013. Bell peppers are low in calorie, so even if you eat 1 cup of them, you just get about 45 calories. Bonus, that 1 cup will give you more than your daily quota of vitamin A and C. They contain plenty of vitamin C, which powers your immune system and keeps your skin youthful. The highest amount of vitamin C in a bell pepper is a concentrate in the red variety. Red bell peppers contain several phytochemicals and carotenoids, particularly beta-carotene, which lavish you with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits. The capsaicin in bell peppers has multiple health benefits. Studies show that it reduces bad cholesterol, controls diabetes, brings relief from pain, and eases inflammation. If cooked for a short period on low heat, bell peppers retain most of their sweet, almost fruity flavor and flavonoids contents, which is a powerful nutrient. The sulfur content in bell peppers make them play a protective role in certain types of cancers. The bell pepper is a good source of vitamin E, which is known to play a key role in keeping skin and hair youthful. Bell peppers also contain vitamin B6, which is essential for health of the nervous system and helps renew cells. Certain enzymes in bell peppers, such as lutein, protect the eyes from cataracts and macular degeneration later in life. That's good for me. So pop some bell peppers into your shopping basket and start reaping the rich health benefits. This product can be purchased at Aldi, USA. Specially selected fruit spread with 75% fruit assorted flavors, $1.99 at Aldi's.
What I've done is I've entered some of my own pickles into it, and I've also placed into my pickle beets. Okay, that's all basically normal, and I put a barely 1 tablespoon of, I got this at Sam's Club, Members Mark White Balsamic Vinaigrette. I'm going to insert in this red pepper fruit spread that's imported from Germany. It's 11 ounces. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about 2 full teaspoons, and I'll be mixing this in the salad. The nutritional facts are 1 tablespoon, 18 grams, is 50 calories, no fat, no trans fat, no sodium, total carbohydrates are 12, no fiber, 12 sugars, no protein, vitamin A, vitamin C. It's made of sugar, water, red bell peppers, apple cider vinegar, citric acid, pectin, onion juice, concentrate, hot pepper extract, sweet pepper extract, rosemary extract, sunflower oil. It says product of Germany, stay in a cool, dry place. Once it's open, refrigerate, use within 2 weeks. No, it's not even going to last that long in my house. Okay, so there's the top. Anyway, so now what I'm going to be doing is mixing this jam into the salad. And I'm doing that because I want to be able to enjoy that sweet red pepper flavor. Now, it would have been easier if I had taken the red pepper and mixed it into a bowl. That way, I would have known that it incorporated itself all the way through. Okay, so let's try. Oh, it's just just delicious. It has that wow, a little bit of aroma of the red peppers. This is definitely a hit. So if you ever see this jar, specially selected premium red pepper fruit spread from Germany, grab it and put it on your salad. Thank you very much for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.